Okay. I think it's going to be complicated, but there has to be a formal decision process laid out at the start of the project. What actually happens? What level of decision requires different governance bodies? You're obviously going to have an implementation project team. You're going to have the executive steering committee. Have a framework for what level of decision and impact gets dealt with at different areas. Be clear about who has responsibility to make decisions, and be clear about expected timeframes for those decisions to be made. You don't want the executive steering committee making individual requirement kind of, yes, that's in, that's out, right? I mean, that has to be much lower down with the project team, the implementation team, the end users who will ultimately go with the system. But some of the bigger things like, oh, we have found a new system that all of a sudden we have to do integration to that wasn't in scope, that's going to add 3 months to the project and an extra £5 million. That would be something that has to go to the steering committee, I would imagine. But being clear about what that decision framework is, what the rules of engagement are, how things are progressed up and down the chain, and how timely those decisions are expected so that things don't get stuck in committee and the project grinds to a halt.
That makes sense.